Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Jessie Talley again, and we're back for the Faculty Meetings One on One series. And today we're going to be doing episode three, which focuses on surviving the silent treatment. What to do when you're not getting called on, when you feel like you're invisible in the meeting. So, have you ever found yourself in that faculty meeting? You wanted to speak up, but then you realize no one's calling on you, or they don't really want to hear what you have to say? That can be a little tough, especially when you're new and don't want to be ignored. But don't worry, I've got you covered today in episode three with some strategies to make sure your voice gets heard. So, today there are three areas of focus that we're going to talk about. One is position, two is permission, and then three is rapport. So you first need to strategically position yourself within that meeting room. So if you're not getting called on, consider where you're sitting in the room. Are you in the back? Are you off to the side? In general, it's good to try to sit in the center or some type of central spot because everybody can see you and everybody will be able to engage with you in the meeting. The second thing is don't wait for permission. Sometimes you're just going to have to speak up, even if you're not called on, especially if you have something to say. You can politely interject with things like, "I'd like to add something here," or "Could I just jump in for a moment?" Just make sure you're contributing to the conversation and not interrupting it, and basically being value added. Then you also want to build rapport beforehand. So you want to form relationships with your colleagues outside of meetings. That can help you feel more comfortable in speaking up when it truly counts during the meeting. So having a friendly chat before the meeting or at lunch or some other time when you see them in the hallway can eventually make you feel a little bit more included and confident in showing up. You have something valuable to say, so don't let silence hold you back. Speak up confidently and remember, your voice matters. So position yourself strategically. Don't wait for permission and build your rapport. And as always, remember to do your work, which you were called to do. I'll see you in episode four.